I'm Alana.
We're ESTV, and today we're out and about for the 2019 Christmas Fair. Okay. Yeah,
Okay, you go.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, I'll go down.
Then I'll go this way.
Okay, yeah. Hi.
Hello,
Can I ask your name?
my name's Shashank.
And how will you be celebrating your Christmas this year?
I think we're going back to Malaysia, my home country, and having a gathering there.
Hello.
Hi,
Can I ask your name?
Lucas.
Okay, can you please tell us a little bit about this?
Okay, so here we're selling products from the Purple Community Fund organization, which helps the poor in Philippines in the Tondo dump site. So basically what we do, our school, how we give ring pulls. So we send the ring pulls in, we give people at the Tondo dump site jobs, and they make these wonderful products which they sell to us, and we send the money back to them to help them again.
Your name?
I'm Jill.
Okay, Jill. Can you please tell us a little bit about this?
Oh, this is Mr. Mooney's house. We built a house for Mr. Mooney to live in, and we have hidden 5 of him inside the house. So you can peek through, open doors, and see if you can find him.
Okay, and can you also tell us what it's like running the Christmas fair?
It's very, very busy. It's very busy, but it's a lot of fun, and I've met so many new parents, so many new kids that I haven't met before that has helped out. It's a whole community event, and everybody's taking part.
Okay, and how will you be celebrating your Christmas this year?
Oh, I'm going home to Sweden. This is my home.
Hello. So can you please tell us your favorite part of the Christmas fair so far?
Well, obviously, I think it's clear what my favorite part was, the sponge toss, of course.
Is there anything you think we should go check out?
I just saw some face painting taking place over here. The raffle looks good, but I haven't explored anything else yet.
Okay, and how will you be celebrating your Christmas?
I'm very lucky this year. I'm actually going to spend it in the Maldives with my friends. And then, of course, I'll Skype my family back home in Ireland and my grandparents in the south of Ireland.
Okay, before we let you go, we would like to play a quick game with you.
Okay.
Can you please pick a piece of paper from inside the hat? What did you get?
Christmas songs.
Okay, for that, I'll need my friend Miko to help me out. Okay.
So I'm gonna sing a little bit of a song to you, and you can try to finish the rest of the line.
Okay.
So the first one is jingle bells, jingle bells.
Jingle all the way.
Okay, and silent night.
Holy night.
Good job. Also, there's on the first day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
A partridge in a pear tree.
And we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Thank you for speaking with us, and we hope you have a great Christmas.
Thank you guys. Merry
Thank you.
Christmas.
Bye.
I'm Alana.
I'm Miko.
And we've been out and about at the 2019 Christmas Fair. On behalf of the ESTV crew, thank you for watching and we'll see you again soon. Bye!